At this point in the program of developing questioning mind for inner knowing, we pay much attention to body awareness, so that every square inch of the skin is awake, and not only on the surface of our being, but also in. So how can you do that? Well, you'll be surprised how light command, how a subtle, neutral instruction, how far you get. So rather than trying to do it, you can gently say to yourself, body awareness, awareness everywhere. Because there is already awareness everywhere. It's veiled, it's covered over, it's dormant. So if you say awareness, body awareness, it covers the whole body. And now go in. Theoretically, or in our imagination, we go to the cell level. So say all the cells aware. Now apparently we have over 100 trillion cells, so it's not like you go from one to the next, but it is a command. It is a mixture of intent, command, and if you're comfortable with that, a prayer, like you're completely with it. Body awareness. In that process, you enter a neutral state. Neutral is not boring. Neutral means open. Neutral means you're not gravitating towards grasping or aversion or sinking or elation. So you stay neutral. In that posture, whatever happens doesn't grab your attention. It's like a mirror, and a mirror is a very good image, symbolically and literally, for this program, Questioning Mind for Inner Knowing. When the mirror is clear, whatever question you ask, an image will come, a message will come, some information will come to you. So we want to learn to develop this neutral state of mind. It is not a heady thing, it's the whole body. So it helps to have both feet on the ground, to feel the sit bones, to be solid but open at the same time. You can measure if you're in that state. For example, if you're in that state and you mention a name that usually upsets you, see if it does. Does it stick to your energy body? Or if something really is troubling you this morning, and you mention the word of that thing that is causing you upsetness, mention it and see if it grabs you. If it does, well, maybe it's too recent, but with a little bit of practice, whatever comes your way doesn't upset you in a way that it takes you, it grabs you. So yes, you can still sense. You may even sense that you begin to contract. You might even sense you begin to upset. But then again, feel your sit bones, sit straight, not leaning forward, not going back, not sinking and not elation, right in the center. It's a little bit like the center of the cross. You have this and you have this, and you're right in the middle. And your eyes, you're not looking out of your eyes. It's like you're looking in all directions. You're not only hearing things to immediately tell yourself what it is that there's hearing, there's seeing, there's feeling, there's sensing. Space opens, and there's a sense of timelessness that appears. So try to develop this kind of body awareness. Awareness in the whole body. And Google Earth it, Google skin it. Wherever there's skin, there's awareness. Go in as if all the cells are alive and awake, breathing, doing their job, passing on information. And then secondly, not sinking, not elation. Actually, I would start with not grasping. It's like you sit like this and your chin goes forward and you want to make things happen. Or you go back and you say, kind of opinionated, kind of a little cynical or sarcastic, or just you don't want it. Or you get heavy and there's a problem. Or you're so excited, maybe you can make things happen. Maybe you can be a healer or a fixing of problems. No, you stay right in the center. That is the posture in which all of life can flow through you the easiest. And that means all of life means all of knowledge, all of knowing contained in it will flow through you. All we need now is a precise question. Just repeating the question is already helpful. Don't look for the answer too much. Try to find a better question. And you answer it, and then a better question. Go deeper. Repeat the question. Now, what is it that you really want? Or what is really most important? And also try to do it in daily things, not only like with a buddy system, which is wonderful that it's happening, the buddy system. I'm really very firm believer of it. So you can practice during the week. But take daily things, small things, things that trouble you. Now, how to deal with this? So you practice that. And don't forget, the whole principle of this is we already have the knowledge that we need. So we have to find it. Body awareness is number one. Then these 4 points. And then in some other video and with other notes maybe that we share with each other, let's develop this questioning. How to do it so that it invites knowledge to come through you. It's wonderful that you are practicing this. Good luck.